can just like see that running down. It's like messy, you know? Like a little greasy. The way I created our scalp serum to be more of a cream based instead of an oil is, as you saw, I only put one little tiny drop in the corner, and my hair is still, I mean, I'm touching my hands up here and my hair is just still greasy. So the difference between ours is it's a serum, it's creamy, it's still rich, but it won't make your hair extremely greasy. So if I was to use an oil every day, I'd have to wash my hair a lot more, which, you know, in the long run can actually cause a lot more damage than good if you have to wash your hair every single day. So it's one of the many reasons our scalp serum as a cream is very reasonable and doable to use every day.